Assuming you're situated in the UK and for the most part wish to purchase Nexo, the cycle in a real sense is extremely clear. All you want to in a real sense do is most certainly find a directed trade, store a few assets, and choose how truly numerous Nexo tokens you in a real sense need to purchase fundamentally. The digital money market has turned into an exceptionally fundamentally encouraging speculation vehicle, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Many individuals certainly are transforming into crypto, notwithstanding the very high instability of the market, which really is genuinely critical. The in every practical sense, solid pattern that has in a real sense occurred starting from the start of the year has made financial backers more genuinely keen on the crypto market, as they truly search for a method for procuring tremendous gets back from the area in an unobtrusive manner. There are essentially many sorts of cryptographic forms of money that one can put resources into, including Nexo tokens, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo is a digital money that you can fundamentally put resources into when you truly need to expand in every practical sense your crypto portfolio from the essential monetary forms truly such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is genuinely critical. With this aid, you will in a real sense be furnished with information about how to purchase Nexo in the UK and a few things you want to, all things considered, consider prior to money management. Notwithstanding, it would basically help, assuming you previously viewed as the sort of high gamble of putting resources into digital forms of money prior to plunging into the market, or so they basically thought. Rundown of the practically the best trades to purchase Nexo in the UK. Looking where to purchase Nexo in the UK right now. Truly, underneath you will find 4 of the in every practical sense best specialists that by and large permit you to purchase Nexo in the UK as opposed to prevalent thinking. eToro best specialist to purchase Nexo in the UK. Binance best trade to generally purchase Nexo UK. For resource variety, Coinbase best trade to in every way that really matters. Purchase Nexo for fledglings. OKEx in every way that really matters. Best representative to especially purchase Nexo UK for minimal expense. A bit-by-bit manual for purchasing Nexo when you certainly need to purchase Nexo in the UK. Fundamentally follow these essentially straightforward advances. Stage 1. Open a trade account. The principal thing you really want to do especially is to open a trade account, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. There truly are a few trades in the UK, and this multitude of accompanied various ways for you to purchase Nexo tokens in an unpretentious manner. In fact, prior to picking the trade, you ought to guarantee that it can uphold Nexo coins, which is very critical. Opening a record is an extremely simple interaction, by and large, as opposed to prevalent thinking. All you really want to in a real sense give by and large is truly your names, your contact subtleties, and confirmation of address. What's more, you might be expected to fundamentally check a few subtleties that you basically have given through submitting reports, for example, your government-provided ID and a proof of address record. Opening the trade record will just sort of require a couple of moments, which truly is very huge. To set up the security of especially your trade, you really want to give a multifaceted verification process that will truly keep the record secure and guarantee there sort of is a limited opportunity of your record being gotten to by another person without, for the most part, your approval. Genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Stage 2. Asset the record. The subsequent step sort of is to finance the trade account, so you can generally have an approach to purchasing Nexo tokens. The most essential approach to financing commonly your record for the most part is by utilizing a MasterCard or a charge card. You can likewise interface actually your financial balance straightforwardly with the trade and store the assets you might want to spend, which is genuinely critical. In the event that the trade doesn't permit the immediate acquisition of Nexo utilizing British pounds, you can really decide to trade pretty other digital currencies for the Nexo coins. A few tokens that you can use in the exchange certainly incorporate Bitcoin and Ethereum, the most famous cryptographic forms of money. Stage 3. Sort of purchase Nexo in the wake of keeping assets into the trade. The third step especially is to purchase Nexo tokens. Purchasing most certainly is likewise an incredibly simple interaction. All you really want to sort of do is for the most part go to the purchase site of the trade account, sort of enter the sum you sort of need to spend, affirm the exchange, and you will get a warning in actually your email expressing that kind of your exchange truly has been handled, which explicitly is very huge. To generally purchase Nexo tokens, you can put in either a market request or a breaking point request. The market request will sort of empower you to purchase the tokens at the continuous costs, while the cutoff request will by and large permit you to basically purchase the tokens when the costs in every way that really matters Arrive at a very certain very low level. Stage 4. Store in a crypto wallet. The fourth step for the most part is putting away the Nexo tokens in a crypto wallet. There are two sort of primary kinds of crypto wallets, a hot wallet and a fundamentally chilly wallet, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The hot wallet is the one that permits you to store kind of your tokens for a brief time online, as you exchange them to procure fast returns in a very significant manner certainly. The extremely other sort of wallet is a freezing wallet that will store your tokens disconnected. Cold wallets really are exceptionally secure on the grounds that sort of your tokens won't be accessible on the web and will sort of be less vulnerable to misfortune. It sort of is great for the individuals who sort of need to store Nexo for a really long time, and the people who truly need to hold especially huge sums. The most effective method to sell Nexo. Selling Nexo is just about as quite simple as the most common way of purchasing the tokens. All you really want is to especially go to the sell site of your trade record and afterward by and large enter the sum you might want to sell, which is genuinely huge. Affirm the subtleties, and the exchange will be handled in a significant manner. There truly are two different ways of selling Nexo tokens. You can generally sell them for British pounds or other digital currencies, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. All you want to do is truly pay special attention to your desired pair to trade with. Coordinates in a real sense are frequently named and so forth Nexo, BTC Nexo, or ETH Nexo in an exceptionally significant way. Which wallets could I at any point use to hold Nexo fundamentally? As referenced before, there especially are two truly fundamental ways for somebody to hold Nexo tokens incredibly certainly. One can utilize hot wallets or certainly chilly wallets. Hot wallets truly are normally really found in the trade record, and they will in a real sense keep commonly your tokens on the web, so it is certainly simple for you to recover them, as you sort of sell routinely in an unpretentious manner. On the really other hand, truly cool wallets are put away in outside gadgets, for example, USB drives, and they explicitly keep your tokens truly safe, away from any web-based impedance. How Nexo functions in an unpretentious manner. Nexo works like all the really other cryptographic forms of money. The truly token depends on a really decentralized framework, which guarantees there are no mediators engaged with trading the tokens in an unobtrusive manner. Financial backers of these tokens sort of purchase when costs fundamentally are low and sell when costs certainly are high to procure returns in an unpretentious manner for the most part. Key things to consider prior to purchasing Nexo in the UK in an unobtrusive way in a real sense. A few things you want to truly consider prior to purchasing Nexo include execution in a significant way. Something you really want to explicitly survey is the exhibition of the tokens. Check how Nexo tokens especially have been doing lately, which will in every way that really matters assist you with in a real sense pursuing an educated choice. Exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Instability. Sort of an